Okay,
So,
go ahead, guys.
this code right here is for a digital clock using the 7-segment display. As you can see, we have the IRQ hooked up to a function generator that is at 30 hertz. And the function generator triggers the IRQ every 30th of a second. And whenever it's triggered, the IRQ will increment a counter, and every 30 increments, it will increment by a second. It'll increment the clock counter by a second. The RTI interrupt, the real-time interrupt, updates the clock every couple milliseconds and keeps the 7 segments running. Also, you'd be able to use the push buttons to activate whether you want to set the time, set the alarm. Also, one of the push buttons disables the alarm, and one of them lets you check what the alarm time is.
Okay, so you can start it.
Okay.
So if we flip this switch, that'll start our clock at 0 minutes
so
and
this
0
switch
seconds.
is on-off switch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
And so if we turn it off and then back on, it resets it to...
Always start from 0, 0, 0.
That's right.
Okay.
And so then we can press this button, and it'll tell you to enter a new time.
Okay, this is to set the time, enter new time.
And so we can go over to the keypad, and we wanted the range to be 59 minutes, 59 seconds. So if you try to press 6 or anything higher than that, it'll tell you it's an error. That's right. So there's the error. And then if I try entering the time,
Okay.
and then I decide that I don't want to use this time, I can press B to backspace.
Okay, so you also have backspace. Okay.
That's right. So let's set that to 5500, and then we press the hash symbol, and that
Hash is the
enters
enter.
it.
Okay, now you
right.
set the time, right?
Right.
Okay. What other features you have?
Another feature is that you can set the alarm.
Alarm. Okay.
So just like with the clock, it shows up on the LCD,
Yeah.
and it's basically the same, works the same. You just enter your time. It won't let you put anything higher than 59:59.
So try to put some number
So
close to the current time.
so if we put in 5600 and hit enter.
Okay.
And this button right here, if we press and hold it, it'll show you what time your alarm's set to,
If you wanna, okay.
but it won't keep the clock from updating. This switch right here has to be activated. The second switch here has to be activated.
This is for the alarm. Okay.
If it's not activated, the alarm won't go off. So if you don't want the alarm to go off at just one time, then then you don't have to let it go off.
Okay.
So it should start the alarm here.
Now the alarm is working. How can you turn it off?
This third push button right here, if you hit it, turns it off.
That's great.
Now if we go back and set the time to 55 and let it go back around to where the alarm is set to, without this switch flipped,
Oh, it doesn't work.
it doesn't work.
Because you. This is on off for alarm. So you have two on offs. One on off for the system, the complete system. One on off for the alarm. Okay.
Yep.
So now it's once it comes to 0, 0, 0, 0. What's the alarm?
The alarm is set to 5600, so it already passed it. Didn't
So
go off.
we can see that if we set it to 59:55, and then it should count, and once it reaches 60:60, it'll go back to 0.
Okay. Okay, now, can you please, if we increase the frequency here, okay? I think in the IRQ you divide by 30, so that every 30 interrupts means 1 second, right? That's what you are doing. Now, if you increase it, right, the clock should be faster.
Right. So we can increase it to 300, and
Yeah.
you see the second counter goes
Is that
much
faster,
faster.
moving faster, right?
Much faster.
Counting very faster.
And then
Okay.
we can increase to
How much now?
3,000.
3,000?
It's very fast.
Okay. Can you make it
30,000.
1 mega, please?
Mhm.
Okay, if we look at 1 mega here, you can see nothing is working. You can try. Can you try to use set the time now?
As you can see, it won't set.
So now the main program is not working, and also RTI is not working. Okay, can you justify this?
So the reason why it doesn't work is because when it comes to interrupts, IRQ has the highest priority, which means if you get more than one interrupt signal at the same time, IRQ is going to be the one that's ran. Because we have it set to 3 megahertz, IRQ is being activated so fast.
So fast, very fast, yeah.
It's being activated so fast, it doesn't allow any other portion of the code to run.
Yeah,
So that includes RTI, it includes the main code outside
main
of the
program.
interrupts.
Okay, that means all the time the CPU is executing IRQ all the time. Okay, that's great. Okay, thanks guys. Thank you very much.